Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. We're on number 16, class. Okay, they give us a piecewise function. Alright, so we've got 7 minus x squared if x is greater than or equal to 1, and we've got 3x squared if x is less than 1. So it wants us to use this function to evaluate this f of 2 minus f of 1 plus f of negative 3. So we'll do this one first. My x value is 2. That is definitely greater than or equal to 1. So I'm going to plug that in the top equation. So that's going to give me 7 minus 2 squared. 7 minus 4. 3. Good. Alright, so I'm going to plug in 1 now. I'm going to plug it in the top or the bottom?
Top.
Top, because 1 is definitely greater than or equal to 1. So if we plug in a 1, what do we have?
6.
7 minus 1 is 6. And then we'll plug in a negative 3, and that is definitely less than 1, so we'll plug it in the bottom. Negative 3 squared is 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 minus 6 is negative 3, plus 27 is
24.
24. All right, questions on number 16?
Need a 6?
Yeah.
You take one and into the top.
Question?
I did 6.
I plugged 1 into here. 1 squared is 1.
Okay.
7 minus 1 equals
What did that do?
All right, 17.
Okay.
yeah.
So let's see what we got here. Taxi charges $20 flat fee for the first 5 miles. Even if it takes the rider 1 mile, the cost is $20.
That's terrible.
And after that, the additional miles cost $1.20 per mile. A trip that covers 7 miles will cost $22.40. How'd they get that?
7 times, wait, 2 times 120.
It is 7 minus 5 is 2, right?
Yeah.
2 times $1.20 is $2.40, plus the initial $20 just to open the door and sit down, right?
Yeah.
Write a piecewise function for the cost of the cab ride. Assume the miles will be whole numbers. And this is just for us. Just for honors. All right, so what do we think the top line is going to be?
X is
Y equals
20.
20.
if X is
For
greater
Y
than
is
5.
For X is equal to
less than
Less than
5.
less than
Equal to.
or equal to?
That's what I said.
So that's what I said.
20 plus 120x.
20 plus 120x?
1.
1.20?
Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I'm done with my sense.
Like that?
Yeah.
So what if X is 7? Is that going to give us that 2240?
For X minus 5.
Oh,
In parentheses.
Wait a second.
Yeah? All agree?
Yeah.
yeah.
So X is equal to 20 plus $1.20 per mile for every mile that's greater than 5, right? So for X greater than 5? Okay with that?
Yeah.
good. Questions on 17?
No.
18. Write a piecewise function to represent the graph. Yes, sir.
That was like a parent function of the parabola, right?
That is a parent function of the parabola, good. So the left-hand side is going to be x squared. And that's for x is what? Okay, the right-hand side. Linear, right?
Yeah.
What's the slope?
2 over 1.
Up 2 over 1.
Negative 2? Up 2 over 1? Up 2 over 1 is definitely negative, right? So negative 2 is my slope, so I know it's going to be negative 2x. Where would it cross the line intercept? The y-axis. It'd be 6, wouldn't it? Up 2 over 1 plus 6. Or
X is greater than or equals
3 to 1, that's it, isn't it?
1. Oh.
Yeah.
So for all x's greater than 1 and for all x's less than or equal to 3. Less than or greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 3. Yes, sir.
But they're saying they're equal, so. Oh, just kidding, never mind.
Questions? Hunter, you got a question?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Number 19.
That's where it crosses over. Continue.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so it's the sum of two cubes. So x plus 5, square product square, x squared minus 5x plus 25. Remember the signs, same, opposite, plus? Number 20. Difference of two squares, x minus 9, x plus 9. Questions?